Hi guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ito na yung ating preliminary part 2. So sa ating differential calculus. So ito ay application pa rin ng differential calculus, but this time application lang siya ng differential. Okay, so sorry medyo natagalan ako sa pag-release ng video kasi medyo nawalan ako ng boses recently. So I guess 3 days din ako nawalan ng video ng boses. So hindi din talaga ako makapag-video na. Okay, so I think I will make siguro kung kaya naman iisipin ko rin, pero I think mag-a-adjust ako konti lalo dun sa mga taga south. Okay, so sa north hindi siguro kasi Wednesday pa naman siya. Okay, so guys, thank you ulit sa pag-intindi sa akin. Okay, so now start tayo dito. So preliminary 1.1 or part 2 ng ating preliminaries. Okay, so this is a theory of infinitesimal. So infinitesimal calculus. So from the word itself merong infinite. Okay, so may ganyang calculus talaga. Okay, so start muna tayo dito. An algorithm is a complete, well-defined procedure for obtaining numerical answer to a given mathematical problem. So, yun si algorithm. So, kung papansinin mo, for example, sa ganito yan. For example, may pattern. Tulad nung sa Fibonacci, so nagkaroon kasi ng algorithm doon sa mga programming tool, may algorithm doon, math yun. Okay, so again, yung programming o yung mga comsci, yung mga program na nakikita mo sa mga computer or what, yung mga device yung ginagawa ng mga Android, may program behind doon. Behind sa every program, merong mga algorithm. Sa algorithm, syempre, sa math siya. Okay, so napaka-importante ng math sa buhay natin. So kung isipin nyo sir, wala naman itong impact, meron yan. Ang nangyari lang kasi is, yung application na yung nahahawakan mo o yung nakikita mo. Or meaning, for example, nagagawa mo na, natatext mo na, natatouch mo na yung phone, may algorithm doon, may math doon. Okay, so tandaan nyo yan. So huwag yung laging baliwalay na wala naman to application sa buhay. Meron yan sa lahat ng bagay. Okay, so now, the name, finite difference, indicates the mathematical analysis proceed by finite intervals rather than infinitesimally small intervals in calculus. Okay, so ang theory of infinitesimal calculus kasi is something na parang by interval, kukunin natin yung kanyang, for example, kung i-approximate natin yung mag-approximate tayo ng isang value or ng isang information using yung parang finite difference. So magkakaroon tayo ng maliit na interval, so ina-approximate natin siya using yung differential. Ganun kasi yung ginagawa dito usually. Pero dito ang gagawin natin is i-obtain lang natin yung first difference, which is sabi nga the first difference of a function f of x. Okay, so denoted as delta f of x. So again, yung triangle na yan is delta. So that is delta f of x is found by subtracting two successive functional values and is defined by delta f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Okay, so meaning, ang gagawin mo lang para mahanap mo yung first difference natin is just kunin mo yung f of x plus 1 minus f of x, then simplify or konting algebraic manipulation. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin dito. So sir, ano bang purpose nito? Ang purpose kasi ng first difference natin is ito yung magte-tend sa atin papunta kay Newton advancing formula. Okay, so hindi ko ituturo si Newton advancing formula kasi nasa numerical analysis na siya. Okay, so tinuturo ko lang to kasi ito yung something application, so something theoretical. So gumagamit kasi siya ng trigonometry. So way ko rin to para ma-refresh kayo sa trigonometry nyo, dun sa mga trigonometric identities nyo. Okay, so again, ito ay para application. So papunta rin siya totally sa Lagrange formula saka sa mga Taylor expansion. Okay, so Taylor series or Maclaurin series. Yung mga ganun. Dito talaga papunta yan. Okay, so the operator delta. So delta yung basa dyan. So the operator delta is often called the forward difference operator or the advancing difference operator. So yun nga, sabi ko nga, papunta siya sa Newton advancing formula. Okay, so again, siya lang yung una. Kumbaga siya yung first term para sa Newton advancing formula. Okay, so yun lang yung first difference natin. Okay, so again, paano yung gagawin natin dito? To obtain the first difference of f of x or the delta f of x, we just need to subtract two successive functional values. When we say functional values, yung f of x mag-set ka dun din ang variable. So for example, f of x plus 1 minus f of x, or gusto mong gawin f of x plus 2 minus f of x plus 1. Pwede yun. Pero in general, siguro ito na yung gawin natin kasi medyo magugulo kasi yung solution. Kunyari gawin kung f of x plus 2 minus f of x plus 1, medyo hihirap, lalo kung may mga sine cosine siya. Okay, mapapatagal tayo. Okay, so in general, ito gamitin natin. F of x plus 1 minus f of x. Okay, so sabi naman, successive functional value. So pwede yung sinabi ko kanina. ikaw, kung gusto mo pahirapan sarili mo, pwede mong gawin yun. Okay, now, let's have example. So, number 1, we have 2 given. Yung number 2, medyo meron na siyang trig or meron na siyang trigonometric. Okay, so si number 3, medyo arctangent na. Tapos pinaghalo ng exponential yung number 4. So, at least makita nyo lahat ng possible solution dito. Okay, so proceed tayo dito. Find the difference of the following functions. So, letter A, we have f of x is equal to a raised to x. Letter B, we have f of x is equal to x factorial. So, again, alam mo kung ano x factorial from probability. Okay, so, we start with letter A. So, I guess, solve natin sa letter A dito. So, magkakasya na siguro siya dyan. So, for letter A, okay, so, ang goal lang natin is hanapin natin yung delta f of x. Okay, so, we have delta f of x, okay, is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Now, anong gagawin natin sa f of x plus 1 saka minus f of x? Isa-substitute natin yung x plus 1 na yan dun sa function. Okay? So, yung f of x plus 1, that is a raised to x plus 1. Yung f of x is just a raised to x. Okay, so this is just equal sa a raised to x plus 1 minus a raised to x. Okay, so again, now, ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, magkaroon ka ng konting algebraic manipulation or meaning, i-simplify mo siya. So, sa simplest form niya. Okay, so tulad nito. So, yung a raised to x plus 1, pwede natin siyang biyakin into 2 parts. We have a raised to x multiplied by a raised to 1 minus a raised to x. Now, we can factor a raised to x. So, this is just equal sa a raised to x times a minus 1. So, therefore, ito yung ating first difference function ng ating f of x na given. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. So again, ang gusto ko sana i-simplify nyo. So sir, pwede ko bang gawing f of x to? Okay lang naman, pero mas mabuti na ganyan na lang. So kasi ito mo, a raised to x. Sir, yung a raised to x is f of x. So pwedeng sabihin ko lang sir, delta f of x is just equal sa f of x a minus 1. So I guess, wag na lang kasi usually siya ay ina-apply na pag Newton advancing formula na. So doon na lang. Doon na natin apply. Pero hindi naman natin kasi gagamitin. So I guess ito na lang muna gamitin natin. Okay, so letter B. Okay, so we have x factorial. So now, we need to get delta f of x or the first difference of a function f of x. So we have delta f of x. So delta f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Okay, now substitute natin x plus 1 sa function. So this is x plus 1 factorial minus x factorial. Okay, note that x plus 1 factorial can be written as note, alam nyo na yung n factorial can be written as n times n minus 1 factorial. Kung babawasan natin ng isa, labas mo siya. Pag nilabas mo siya, magbabawas ka na doon ng isa. Okay, so meaning yung x plus 1, pwede natin sabihin na yung x plus 1 na yan, yung x plus 1 factorial, pwede ko ilabas yan, yung x plus 1 mismo. Pag nilabas ko yung x plus 1, so matitira, multiply by x plus 1 minus 1, tapos factorial, based dun sa ginawa ko. Okay, so meaning, ano matitira? Lagyan natin dito, so proceed dito, this is just equal sa, ilalabas ko yung x plus 1, okay, then multiplied by, may matitirang x plus 1 minus 1, that is x factorial lang. So this is x factorial minus x factorial. Okay, note na may common factor sila, which is x factorial, so factor out lahat din yun. So this is just equal sa x factorial, so multiplied by, we have x plus 1 na natira para sa unang term, minus 1, kasi may 1 pa dun. Okay, note, by associativity or by removing the grouping symbol, we have x plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to x na lang, kasi makakancel yung positive and negative 1. So therefore, the answer is just equal sa x factorial x. Okay, so this is delta f of x. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali. Okay, now, proceed tayo dito sa number 2. So, ito yung medyo may tricky. So, check ko lang din yung aking trigonometric identity. Hanapin ko lang yung aking mga identities para sure na. So, wala talaga akong copy nung sagot niyan. So, sorry. So, wala akong copy nung sagot or solution nito. So, meron lang ako is yung ating trigonometric function. Okay, so proceed tayo dyan. So, sabi nga, no, show that delta sine of x is equal to 2 sine 1 half. Okay, so sine 1 half yan, multiplied by cosine na quantity of x plus 1. Oh, sorry, x plus 1 half. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin. So, obtain natin yung difference nito. So, paano mag-prove? So, since show that is proving, so hindi mo pwedeng ibahin yung way natin. So, since show proving to. So, lagay natin dito yung proof. Okay, so consider natin so pwede mo naman hindi lagay yung consider. Ako lang kasi nilalagay ko lang, nakasanayan ko na. So, consider si delta sine of x. Okay, so by applying the first difference formula, this is just equal sa, so applying the first difference formula na, this is just equal sa sine ng x plus 1, okay, minus sine x. Okay, so re-recall natin unti-unti yung ating syempre yung ating mga trigonometric identities. So note that we have sine x plus 1. So meron tayong sum in difference ng sine and cosine. So sa sum ng sine, okay, so we have, pagkakaalala ko, pag meron kang sine a plus b, we have sin cos cosine. Okay, so plus lang yun. Kunyari, meron kang sin a plus b, that is sin cos plus cos sin. So, ito is sin cos cosine. So, based sa aking pagkakaalala. So, applying yun, yung formula na yun, this is sin x. So, sin cos. So, this is cos 1. Okay, cos 1 plus sin cos cosine. So, this is cos x. Then sin 1. Okay, so ayun yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Note, anong sunod natin na pwedeng gawin dito? So, note yung sin x cosine 1 plus cosine x sin 1. Sa sin x plus 1 lang yon. Then, meron ditong minus sin x. Okay, so pagsamahin natin yung merong parehas na term or something na pwede natin consider na variable. So, I guess, pwede natin pagsamahin tong dalawang to kasi may sin x siya, saka ito. Okay, so group natin konti. So, this is just sin x cosine 1 minus sin x. So, ginroup ko, then plus cosine x, then sin 1. Okay, now, factor out natin yung sin x dito. So, we already have sin x, then may matitirang cosine 1 minus 1, then plus cosine x sin 1. Okay, now kung naalala mo yung half angle identity, so meron ako sinakitang cosine 1 minus 1. So hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na, oh sir, pwede ko ba i-calculate? So hindi natin i-calculate since hindi tayo nag-obtain ng value. So hindi tayo kumukuha ng specific value. Ang ginagawa natin, gumagawa tayo ng way through the use of identity para mapunta siya dun sa form na yun. So again, kung naalala mo si half angle identity, so recall yung half angle identity. So we have sin x over 2 is equal to positive square root ng pagkakalala ko, positive square root ng 1 minus cosine. This is 1 minus cosine x over 2. So square root hanggang ilalim yan, so nasa ilalim. So hindi lang sa taas. Okay, so yun yung goal natin. So napansin mo, sir, meron ako nakikitang cosine 1 minus 1, cosine 1 minus 1. So pwede kong ilagay yun doon. So by transformation of formula, so meaning, ang gagawin natin, kailangan makapag-obtain tayo ng cosine x minus 1 na yun. So, para makakuha tayo ng kanyang identity. So, ang gagawin ko, squaring both side. So, this is obvious, sin squared x over 2 is equal to 1 minus cosine x, then all over 2. Okay, now, cross multiplying. So, we have 2 sin squared x sine squared x over 2 is equal to 1 minus cosine x. Pero ang goal natin is dapat cosine x minus 1. So meaning, transpose ko yung cosine x doon saka yung 1. So meaning, yung 1 lipat doon magiging negative. Yung cosine, negative cosine magiging positive. Then ito lipat ko sa kabila. Okay, so by transforming yon, so this is, yung negative cosine x magiging positive. Okay, then minus 1 is equal to negative 2 sine squared x over 2. Okay, so may similarity na ba yung so ngayon na ito identity pa rin yun, so galing lang siya doon, identity pa rin yan, equal pa rin yan, kasi galing lang siya sa identity. Kumbaga nagmanipulate ka sa isang identity, identities pa rin yun. Okay, so ano ito mangyari? Ang sabi nito, kung yung cosine x, okay, so meaning kung yung x na yun is 1, ano to? Okay, so by transformation, so like ko lang, no, so yung cosine 1 minus 1, kasi yung x ang papalitan kung palitan ko to, so if x so if x is equal to 1, so yung cosine x magiging cosine 1 minus 1, which is equal sa negative 2 sine squared ng 1 half. Okay, so meaning meron na akong cosine 1 minus 1, which is negative 2 sine squared 1 half. Okay, so papalit ko yun dun. So nakakuha ko ng isang pwede kong ipalit dito. So this is just equal sa sin x multiplied by negative, no? So this is negative 2. Okay, then this is sine squared of 1 half. Okay, then plus cosine x sine 1. Okay, so check ko lang kung tama ang ating value. Okay, so next is ang gagawin ni sir is something na mag-ooperate tayo sa loob niya. So, I guess, kuha ko ng value sa double angle identities. So, ulitin ko lang ha. Kukuha ko ng value sa double angle identity. So, paano yun? So, ito, half angle. So, ngayon, double angle identity naman. So, recall na meron tayong sin 2x. So, dito ako kukuha. Yung sin 2x is just equal sa 2 sin x cosine x. Okay, so kung yan yung ating value, so paano kung gagawin? So yung sin 1 kasi yung gusto ko. So kunyari, kung sin 1 to, so lagay ka lang so if sin 1 is equal to sin 2x, what is x? What should be the value of x? So the value of x must be 1 half para maging equal. Tama? So again, if sin 1, kung yung sin 1 is gagawin kong sin 2x, so dapat ang value na x is 1 half. Okay, so meaning, so which implies that x is equal to 1 half. So apply natin yun doon. So therefore, ano mangyayari dito? This is sin 2 times 1 half. Okay, which is equal sa 2 sin 1 half cosine 1 half. Okay, so meaning we have sin 1 is just equal sa 2 sin 1 half cosine 1 half. Okay, so mayroon na ba akong nakikitang sin 1 half? Yes, may nakikita na ako sin 1 half. Dito pa lang. Dito na rin meron. So meaning, yung sin 1 na yun, palit ko na ito. Excuse me. Then simplify ko lang din to. So again hindi pwedeng magsama yung sin x saka sin squared 1 half. So sila ay magkadikit lang totally. So ang gagawin ko, i-simplify ko to. So this is negative 2. So this is negative 2 sin x. Okay, then sin squared 1 half. So again, hindi sila pwede magsama kasi magkaiba na identity. Then plus cosine x. Then ipapalitan natin ng sin 1. Sin 1 is equal to 2 sin 1 half cosine 1 half. Okay, so this is just 2 sin 1 half cosine 1 half. Okay, so ang obvious, may pwede tayong i-factor sa kanila. So ano yun? Pwede kong i-factor dito yung 2 sin 1 half. Pwede rin dito. So dito may 2 sin 1 half. Dito meron din 2 sin 1 half. Kasi dalawa yung sin squared. Dalawa yung sin 1 half natin dyan. Kasi naka sin squared. Okay, so ipapactor ko yung 2 sin 1 half. 2 sin 1 half. So ilalabas ko yun. So lalabas yung 2 sin 1 half. Kasi obvious naman kailangan ko yun. Okay, kaya yun yung pinactor ko. So may matitira sa loob. So ang matitira dito sa loob, this is negative sin x, tapos sin 1/2 kasi meron pa isa. Okay, then dito, matitira naman dito is cosine x saka cosine 1/2. So this is plus cosine x, then cosine 1/2. Okay, so arrange ko lang yung right side na yan. So this is just equals sa 2 sine 1/2. Okay, then multiplied by cosine x cosine 1/2. Okay, minus sine x sine 1/2. Okay, note that from identities, from sum and difference of identity, we have cosine of a plus b. Okay, that is simply equal sa cos, sin. Dahil plus that cosine, siya ay magiging minus. So this is cosine a, cosine b, minus sin a, sin b. So, good thing na alala ko pa yung mga identities. So, dapat ikaw rin naalala mo yung mga identities natin. So, again, kung napapansin mo, kung consider natin na yung x is a, then yung b is 1/2. So, meaning, from the pattern itself, ang magiging sagot nito is magiging cosine x plus 1/2. Okay, so therefore, the answer is equal to, so this is just equal sa 2 sine 1/2. Okay, then this is cosine ng x plus 1/2. So therefore, this is done. So note that this is just a part of solution. So this is parang scratch. So kahit ito lang, okay na pakita nyo. So I guess parang reasoning mo na lang to para makita. So ngayon ito yung tanong, sir, sa cosine, kung delta sine or delta cosine ba, yun ba gagamitin? Probably or likely ito yung mga gagamitin natin, half angle, double angle identities. So yan yung usually na pwede nyo gamitin. Pero again, pwede kasing gumamit ka pa ng iba, lalo pag mga tangent. So may half angle sa tangent, may double angle sa tangent din. So pag-isipan nyo rin siyang mabuti. So number 3, we need to show that the finite difference of the function arctangent x is equal to the arctangent of 1 over x plus 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay, so medyo tricky, no? So I guess since show, prove natin. Okay, so ibang gagamitin natin. So proving or proof. Okay, so by definition, punta agad tayo. So by definition, so saan na pong definition yun? So by definition of first difference of f of x, we have delta of arc tan of x is equal to arc tan of x plus 1, okay, minus arc tan of x. Okay, so by definition ng ating first finite difference. So ayun yung unang given. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is magle-let tayo since hindi natin alam yan. So let natin, maglet tayo ng ibang operator. So let alpha be equal sa arc tangent of x plus 1. Then let beta, so that's beta ng arc tangent of x. Okay, so yun yung gagawin ko. So meaning, ano mangyari? From here, we have yung magiging equal part nyo na. This is just delta of arc tan of x is just equal sa alpha minus beta. Okay. So next is aware tayo na yung arc tan of x, so yung claim na yung arc tan of x is equal sa arc tan of 1 over x plus 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay, so note, may nilet ako dito. Okay, so namansin nyo, alpha is equal to arc tangent of x plus 1. Okay, so may reverse part to. So pwede ko i-reverse yan. So sir, paano reverse? This is just equal sa tangent alpha is equal to x plus 1. And this is equal sa tangent beta is equal to x. Okay, so may ganyan akong value. So again, saan galing yan? Dito sa part na to. So kumbaga, reverse ko, kumbaga, kung gusto ko kunin yung value ng alpha, gagawin ko arctangent ng x plus 1. Gusto ko kunin yung value ng beta, arctangent ng x. So, ang ginawa ko, reverse lang. So, since nilet ko sila, dito manggagaling yan. Okay, ngayon, may claim kasi tayo. Note na, nung nag-apply tayo ng arctangent o nung first finite difference arctangent sa delta arctangent of x, ang lumabas is arctangent of x is equal sa arctangent of x plus 1 minus arctangent of x, which is naglet tayo ng variable alpha and beta. So, nangyari, arctangent of x is equal sa alpha minus beta. Note na may claim yung ating proving na ang sabi niya, yung arctangent of x is equal sa arctangent ng 1 over x plus 1 half. Okay, so, ang gagawin ni sir is, equate natin siya dito. Okay, so, if ito ay equal dito, dapat yung alpha minus beta na yun, ganun din yung kakalabasan. Okay, so, ano gagawin ko? If yung arctangent x is equivalent dito, if yung arctangent ng 1 over 1 plus x squared is equal sa alpha minus beta, then we are done. Okay? So again, kung ganun yung mangyayari, if arctangent ng 1 over x plus x squared is equal to alpha minus beta, by applying yung same pattern o yung same algorithm na ginawa ko dito, in which yung arctangent is the reverse ko. Okay, so ano mangyari? This is then, lagay ko lang then this is equal sa 1 over 1 plus x squared is equal to tangent ng alpha minus beta. Okay, so yan yung claim. Okay, magiging equal yung dalawang yan pag napatunayan mo yung tangent alpha minus beta is equal to 1 over x plus x squared. So meaning dito tayo gagalaw. Okay, so meaning from tangent alpha minus beta, dapat ito yung lumabas. Okay, so lagay ko lang, from tangent ng alpha minus beta. Okay, so note that we have some indifference ng tangent, okay, or difference of two angles sa tangent. So, ano yung difference of two angles sa tangent? That is, tangent A minus tangent B is equal to tangent A minus B is equal to tangent A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A times tangent B. Okay, so this is just equal sa tangent alpha minus tangent beta all over 1 plus tangent alpha multiplied by tangent beta. So again, ano yung goal? Ang goal natin, dapat yung tangent alpha minus beta is equal sa 1 over x plus x squared para maging totoo to. Okay, so anong nangyari? Nag-prove tayo using yung conclusion. Okay, so note na meron tayong value ng tangent alpha sa tangent beta from there. Okay, so we have tangent alpha is equal sa x plus 1. So this is x plus 1 minus x all over 1 plus x plus 1. So x plus 1 yun multiplied by x. Okay, note that this is equal sa 1 na lang sa taas, which is sa ilalim is matitira. X plus 1 times x is obviously x squared plus x, or simply arrange natin, that is plus x squared. Okay, so meaning ang nangyari, yung tangent alpha minus beta is equal sa 1 over 1 plus x squared, which is true. So, lagay ko na lang dito. So, therefore, delta of arctangent of x is equal sa arctangent of 1 all over 1 plus x squared. And this is done. Okay, so usually yung ganitong proving is mangyayari kay arctangent kasi gagawa tayo ng ibang condition. Okay, so ganun siya kasimple. So I don't know kung mas simple siya para sa'yo, pero again, siya ay trigo lang. So dapat alam mo yan, dapat taatatak na sa isip mo yan kasi nga ikaw ay nag-aaral lang o ikaw ay math major. Okay, so now, last para sa video na to. So, I guess enough na yung mga example ko para mapakita sa inyo yung dapat gawin or dapat natin i-solve dito. So, for number 4, we have show that delta of 2 raised to x cotangent 2 raised to x theta is equal sa negative 2x tangent 2 raised to x theta. So, medyo kakaiba, no? So, medyo exponential na merong konting trigonometric. So, pinaghalo na siya. So, again, by definition, gano'n pa rin yung gagawin natin, no? So, by definition, may ballpen ni sir. So, yung proof, ano yung proof niya? So, by definition, or by considering, so by definition, we have delta of 2 raised to x cotangent ng 2 raised to x theta. Okay, so this is equal sa, mangyari, this is just equal sa 2 raised sa x plus 1. So, kasi b plus 1 na to. Then, cotangent ng 2 raised to x plus 1 plus theta. Okay, minus 2 raised to x cotangent ng 2 raised to x theta. Okay, so medyo may kakaiba na part dyan, no? So, again, lalabas ko dito yung konting manipulation. So, kung yung 2 raised to x plus 1, gagawin ko 2x plus 2. Okay, so paghihiwalayin ko yan. So, dito, mangyari, this is just 2 raised to x times 2. Okay, then cotangent ng 2 times 2 raised to x theta. So, pinaghiwalay ko lang, pinagbaliktad ko lang, similar lang din yun. Then, minus, copy lang to, 2 raised to x cotangent ng 2 raised to x theta. Okay, so note na may common factor yung dalawang yan. So, dalawang term. Ito yung first term, ito yung second term. May factor sila na 2 raised to x, 2 raised to x. So, factor ko lang yun para konting remove na ano. So, this is 2 raised to x multiplied by, or parenthesis, bracket ko na. So, this is 2 cotangent ng 2 times 2 raised to x theta minus cotangent na lang ng 2 raised to x theta. Okay, so medyo simplified na siya, no? Mag-set ako or maglilet ako. So now, let lang natin konti, so para hindi tayo nahirapan. So let natin na this is just equal sa, let natin na alpha is equal sa 2 raised to x theta. Okay, so meaning, ano mangyari? Yung magiging 2 raised to x theta, yung 2 raised to x theta, magiging alpha lang yun. Okay, so this is equal sa 2 raised to x multiplied by 2 cotangent ng 2 alpha. So, 2 alpha na lang siya. Okay, minus cotangent alpha. So, tama ba? Yes, sir. Kasi ginawa ko yung 2 raised to x theta is alpha lang. Okay, so pinunta ko lang ng alpha. So, next is identities tayo konti. Okay, so I guess, or sorry, hindi natin identity. Yung cotangent, gagawin mo na nating tangent. So, tama, identities rather. So, gawin natin, yung cotangent, gagawin nating tangent. So, this is equal sa 2 raised to x multiplied by 2 sa itaas all over tangent 2 alpha. Okay, minus 1 over tangent alpha. Okay, note that meron tayong double angle identities ng 2 tangent alpha. Okay, so note that tangent 2x, so recall ko lang, no? So note na yung tangent 2a, so 2a natin. Okay, this is equal sa, ano ba yun, identity nito? This is equal sa tangent minus, tangent a all over 1 minus tangent squared a. Okay, I think merong 2 yun. So, parang may 2 siya. Kakaalala ko. Parang may 2. Okay, so note na yung tangent 2a is equal sa 2 tangent a over 1 minus tangent squared a. Okay, so check ko lang sa aking kodigo. So, tangent 2a o 2x. So, ayun, tama. Okay, so meaning itong part na to is papalitan natin nun. Okay, so print tayo dito. So, we have 2 raised to x multiplied by 2 all over. So, itong part na to, palitan natin yun. So, tangent 2 theta yun. So, this is 2 tangent alpha all over 1 minus tangent square alpha. So, group ko lang yan kasi magkasama sila. Minus 1 over tangent alpha. Okay, next is obvious, makakancel yung 2 na yan. Kasi parehas lang naman yan. So, cancel to, cancel to. Tapos ito magre-reciprocate. Okay, kumbaga iibaw po yung 1 minus tangent squared theta. So, this is equal sa 2 raised to x. And this is equal sa, magre-reciprocate to. This is, so parenthesis na lang. So, this is 1 minus tangent squared alpha all over tangent alpha. Minus 1 over tangent alpha. So, yun. So, similar denominator sila. So, therefore, ano mangyari? This is equal sa 2 raised to x, then similar denominator, that is 1 minus tangent square alpha minus 1 all over, we have tangent alpha kasi similar denominator. So, note that 1 minus 1 is 0. So, this is negative na lang. So, negative tangent x. So, lagay ko lang dito yung negative. So, this is negative 2 raised to x. Okay, so negative 2 raised to x. Tapos, may matitirang tangent square alpha all over tangent alpha. Okay, note na cancel yung isang tangent alpha dyan. So, this is equal sa negative 2 raised to x. Then, this is tangent alpha na lang. Note that bring back alpha. So, alpha is equal sa 2 raised to x theta. So, this is equal sa negative 2 raised to x. Then, tangent, what is alpha? Alpha is 2 raised to x theta. So, check natin kung parehas lumabas sa sagot. So, yun. Mama. Okay? So, meaning, ayun yung ating sagot. So, therefore, ito yung kanyang. So, therefore, totoo yung ating show. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, I don't know kung masisimplehan ka or what. Pero sabi ko nga, simple siya kung batak ka na sa trigonometry. So, it's a matter of manipulation talaga sa trigonometry. So, again, thank you for watching. Hoping na magawa mo yung pinapagawa ni sir. So, pasensya na again kung natagalan ako. Then, hoping na panoorin mo yung mga next video natin.